Looking for a good sniper and don't know what attachments to put? In this video, first I will tell you the best game snipe guns, then the best loadouts and attachments, and finally the appropriate settings for the game. Stay with me until the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe. The best snipe guns for Battle Royale are KTMR, XRK and MPCR. All three of them knock down the target by shooting at the head at any distance. But when shooting at the enemy's body, XRK and KTMR knock down the enemy with 2 shots and MPCR is much weaker. The best sniper of Battle Royale KTMR has 2 weaknesses. Firstly, the line of your shot is visible, and the enemy will quickly find out where you are if your shot misses. The next problem is bullet drop, which is due to the bullet weight. To solve the second problem, you should use attachment that increase the velocity and range of your gun. The best sniper for multiplayer should have 2 features, a high aim down sight speed and the second, one-shotting the enemy. XRK is the best snipe for multiplayer in my opinion. These are my attachments in Battle Royale. Just be careful in choosing ammunition and don't choose explosive for long distance because it will greatly reduce your shooting accuracy and increase your bullet drop. To set the attachment, be sure of the strengths and weaknesses of your attachment because sometimes the description part gets a bug and shows errors. This is also the attachment for fast scope in multiplayer. The point is that you can use smaller scopes to increase the opening speed of your scope, but the real sniper kills the enemy with the classic camera. Sniping in multiplayer, apart from attachment and good weapon, requires good movement and more importantly proper sensitivity. But in Battle Royale, due to the longer distance, it requires good attachment and the use of techniques. See my movement techniques in its own playlist and I will make a sensitivity video and snipe techniques for you in the next videos. Write your comments, I will read them all.
Loadouts var mı? Duvarda fare, лайду. Sorry, Келина. Ау, я рвала. А что? Сзади?
Он опять меня убил, сука.
Дальше. Как ты не можешь?
Тут.
Ты там холодок, Сара. Наверное! Вау!
Dusted him.
Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
Блять. Ну чё?
Got movement. You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. JLTV here. Gas is closing in. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover. Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO. Got movement.
Be advised, UAV.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. That's a win. Proper job.